Welcome to Kommunicate. In this video, we are going to show how to create an AI agent from scratch. To begin, we click on Agent Integrations on the left-hand panel, and then select Create AI Agent. After clicking, we see the option to create an agent from scratch, or choose from different AI providers like OpenAI, Gemini, Anthropic, Google Dialogflow, Amazon Lex, IBM Watson, or even bring our own custom bot platform. For this demo, we are going to create an AI agent with Kompose, which is Communicate's own generative AI-powered agent builder. Once inside, we see templates. But for this demo, we will build from scratch. We will name our agent as Support AI Agent. Next, we upload a company logo. Kommunicate allows us to have conversations in more than 100 languages. For this demo, we are going to use English. Once that is done, we are routed to a section called Human Handoff. This means whenever the AI fails to answer any query, it will be escalated to a human agent. We recommend most of our customers to use this. Once that is done, if we have more than one agent, we will be asked which AI agent should handle conversations moving forward. If this is the AI agent that is going to handle conversations forward, we select it. Now, we are under the Kompose Agent Builder. There are 5 to 6 sections, beginning with agent instructions. Here we can give instructions on how our bot should sound like. We can also control how long or short the responses should be. We can choose from different custom instructions available already, or delete them altogether and start from scratch. Hit Save and Continue. Next is the Welcome Message section. This is the message customers will see once they join. We can start with a simple message, such as, "Welcome to Kommunicate. How may we help you today?" Then we click on Train. Remember, after every change, we need to click Train. We can add more text as needed. We can also add more buttons. There are 3 types of buttons available: Default button, Link button, and Submit button. These are the basic options. Additionally, we have the option to add an image, enable human handover if required, or use a custom payload. There's also a dynamic message option. This allows us to fetch custom data from our internal CRM or ERP using inline codes or webhooks. Once our welcome message is ready, we move on to the Knowledge Source section. This is where our bot will be trained from. We can drag and drop multiple documents in PDF, CSV, DOCX, or XLS format. Alternatively, we can train our bot using our website. For this example, we will use Communicate's website. We can choose individual pages or select all pages together. It is also possible to go deeper into a single section, such as Product. Within the Product section, there are different pages, so we can choose which product we want to train on. For this demo, we are going to train on everything. Next, we also have the option to integrate Zendesk with your Salesforce knowledge base, or we can use Communicate's Help Center option. While the AI is being trained on Communicate's website, we move to another section called Intent. Intents are used when we want to fetch specific answers for certain types of queries. For example, let's consider queries related to costing. Whenever someone asks about cost, we want to make sure that the query goes to a sales agent. This is where we use intents like costings. There could be different ways people ask, such as costing, cost, price, pricing, or even asking to schedule a sales call. All of these mean the same thing. Over here, we provide an answer. Hi, Kommunicate starts at $40 per month. If you want more information, you can ask for a sales representative. Then we click Train. Now, this is where we can hand over the query to a sales agent. Here we assign this query to a specific agent. That specific agent is us, and we hit Train. Now, whenever someone asks about pricing, the query will come to us. The rest are small token default fallback messages. The default fallback is different from other responses. The default fallback is used whenever the AI cannot answer a query. In this case, the customer will see a message like, "I am sorry." We are not able to answer that query, so we will hand it over to a human agent. This is our default fallback, and after that, the query will be transferred to a human agent. Most of the steps are now complete. Let's go back and check if our bot has been trained on our website. Yes, it has been. Next, we can start a new conversation here. We begin with, "Welcome to Kommunicate. How may we help you?" When the user asks, "Tell me about Kommunicate," the answer is, "Kommunicate is an AI digital platform," and so on. If the user then asks about the cost, this is where the query gets transferred to us. That's all you need to create your AI agent in Kommunicate.